how's it going? And today we're going to be creating this kind of HyperDrive FPL jump space effect that you see in some movies. I haven't edited this all together yet, but this would just be one segment of the actual jump piece. I'll just go ahead and clear the scene and show you how you can do this. So we'll just make sure we're on current camera, and we'll go ahead and go into VPR, go into backdrop. We're going to turn the backdrop off. We're going to add a textured environment. Double click this, go into textured environment, and you can just Google NASA star fields, NASA star images, or astronomy pick of the day, and that's all this is. So we're on image map, and we're just going to go into load image, and this was just an astronomy pick of the day, and it just comes in and it's along the Z axis. So if you want to kind of shift this image around a little bit, you can go back into the backdrop here and you can play around with the set, and then also the scale. You can zoom in, it's going to start repeating, but it gives you some wiggle room here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the camera, and we're going to go into properties. And what I've learned in doing this is that normally you can set a keyframe and then set another keyframe here, but the keyframe won't hold. So you have to go into the envelope here. We'll just go ahead and make this big. And let's see, we'll click the key down here. We're going to add a keyframe, and I think we want to make it about 400 mm. I think that'd be 0.4. Yep, and then if we come back into here and we hit play, it zooms us in pretty quick. The only thing that's missing is if we've got to go back into texture here. Oops, not the graph editor. Go into here, and this is the projection is the planar, but we want to go to spherical. And so right away that kind of gives us the effect that we're looking for. If we go play, and we can speed this up in post. So this will give us that jumping to another dimension effect. That's simple. And that's all I had for today. Hope you found this helpful. So take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.